Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily clean the sensors on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So let's get the robot out of the station. This is what we're gonna do first. And after that, we wanna clean the sensor. So as you guys can see, it's pulling up. It has a sensor right at the top of it here. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna grab a microfiber cloth, and microfiber cloth will definitely help us clean any moisture, any obstructions, so that it will be shiny and it will scan everything much better than before. So we're going to simply clean it with a microfiber cloth. Now after you clean it, everything should be good with it, but now we're moving on to the next sensor, which is on this side right here. So as you guys can see, this part is the sensor. Now we need to put our finger in it and clean it with our finger, because we won't put our hands there. And now it's also cleaned, and we're gonna move it right here to see the back sensors. So this is also a sensor. We need to wipe it gently. Here's also the part where it goes to the charging, so we want to make sure that it's clean. And now it also has sensors underneath it, so all we have to do is just grab it. Now after you grab it, you will simply notice those lights right there. So this is the first one, we're gonna clean it. Now the next one is right here, and we're gonna clean it too. And the last one is on this side. Let me grab it a little bit differently. It's on this side, so we also want to clean it thoroughly. Now we cleaned every single sensor on our device. Now it is definitely clean, and it will map and scan everything a lot better. So now it can simply return to the station, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.